There he is. Hopefully I got a decent hook set. Welcome to Sonnenberg Outdoors. As you can see, the ice has pretty well bit the biscuit. We're in the middle of April. It's been 20 degrees Celsius, 70 Fahrenheit for the last few days, and ice fishing is finished. Fishing this winter has been quite difficult, but that's okay. That's fishing. And fun was had by all. In this wrap-up video, I'm going to take bits and pieces that most of it didn't make into the main videos this winter and try to make a final video. Thanks for watching, and let's get at it.
Wait till he tightens up. He's swallowing that now. That's a good size sucker in there. Tighten him up.
Capoli might be coming up towards you there too.
He's hooked there as they come up. Is he heavy?
No.
He's over here now. You're catching up to him. He's there. Classic. So you're about 17 feet. Heavy?
Yeah, it's got some resistance, but not too
Hold
heavy.
like let it slip through your fingers. You might start rolling at the hole.
You should have bored 3 holes and chiseled them out. That's what you
Yeah, you're good. Let him go like that. Yeah. Easy as she goes.
Here you go. It's coming.
Pike.
Nice.
There you go.
Get him out. That's
There you go.
Pike.
Nice pipe. There you go. Good one or what?
Oh, it's coming up.
So you got, there he is.
Is that a bass?
I think so. I thought I
Looks
may.
like a bass. Gotta be. I can't pull this line. Not.
No, I know. Well, you got lots of time.
Perch. One of my first lines. I got a dead. What do you call it there? A slow death sinker.
There he goes.
Holy shit. The size of that sucker. 49 and a half. There you go. So that's a brother to the one you got. How big is the one you got?
19 inches, I think. What we going on here? He's going to be all wrapped up, probably. Okay. In the camera. Oh, hope you're not hooked too bad. No. Nope. Just in the tongue. Not a bad one. We'll let him go. That's a good sign. Thursday today. Well, we didn't want to bring you. Hold it up, be proud of that. It's a good start. Hold it up. You'll get the sun at your back there. Hold it out. I'll go upside the jigger over here. There you go. There you go. Nice. Okay. I can't see that being the wind flipping it, but you never know. I'll get on this side here and block you there. So. Looks like it's on an angle a little bit. You're not near us or nothing. Nothing? Give him one. Got him? There's one for Lisette to enter.
Oh, wow.
That's okay.
Oh, look at this one. Wow, that's a huge one.
Bass. Lots of bass. That's okay. That's perfect, actually. There you go. There we go. Yes. Oh, I did. Okay, here we go. Hang on. I won't throw it. Let him go.
Here's the leader. I don't know what it is.
I don't see him.
Something with a little bit of body. Unless he snagged it.
No, here we go. An northern
Size of that, maybe.
A northern pike. He's on. I don't know. Playing around here for 10 minutes, but he's got 100 miles of line. I'm going to camera now. Okay. Get the roll. There's the leader. And he's off. And you know what happened there? I'll guarantee you. I know what happened there. He cut the fluorocarbon.
Calm down, Ricky. You just got woken up in the middle of a great dream. We got jaws on here.
Okay, just take your time.
Some water. Does that have light?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he just went slash and don't flip on you.
Well, he might come up. You never know.
What are you jigging with, son?
Top secret.
Oh, yeah, nice 5, 6 pounds. Hook sideways.
Are you? Oh, God,
That was you. Craziness.
Quick, you want that?
Nope. Nice one, very nice.
Nail it. That's a nice one. That's probably 4.5, 5 pounds.
Oh yeah. I'll get the transducer back in.
Come on, baby. You're going.
Here we go. Nice.
Oh, that's greasy. That's really greasy. Yeah, it's greasy. Greasy.
She got him.
Heavy?
I hate to say it.
Don't say nothing. It's all good. That's the line.
Big one.
A little bigger, that's good. Yeah.
It shouldn't take you too long to clean.
You're taking a line, I see that.
You're taking the line, I see the line. What do you got? Big one? No. Head shaker. Hey.
You're on the board. Oh, you lost your minnow.
There you go. Snot rocket. You know that. There's little fellas don't want to bite over that jig. There it is. Hopefully I got a half decent hook set. There you go. That's a nice little trout to start with here, but he's in good shape. We're gonna let him go. There he goes.